Salesforce Pardot, a complete overview, pricing breakdown, and benefits analysis. In today's fast-paced business landscape, effective marketing automation has become the cornerstone of successful customer engagement and lead nurturing. Among the multitude of tools available, Salesforce Pardot stands out as a powerful and versatile solution for businesses seeking to streamline their marketing efforts, personalize customer interactions, and ultimately drive growth. What is Salesforce Pardot? Salesforce Pardot is a versatile marketing automation solution that empowers businesses to streamline their marketing efforts and engage with leads more effectively. Benefits of using Salesforce Pardot: efficient lead generation and nurturing. Pardot enables businesses to capture leads seamlessly through web forms, landing pages, and other channels. Improved lead scoring. With Pardot's lead scoring capabilities, you can prioritize leads based on their behavior and engagement with your content. Personalization. Pardot allows you to create highly targeted and personalized marketing campaigns. Salesforce Pardot pricing. Salesforce Pardot offers various pricing tiers to accommodate the needs and budgets of different businesses. The pricing structure is typically based on the number of users, the number of contacts or leads you want to manage, and the features you require. Growth edition starting at $1,250 per month. Plus edition starting at $2,500 per month. Use cases and success stories of Salesforce Pardot. Salesforce Pardot has been employed by businesses across various industries to achieve marketing automation excellence and drive significant results. Lead nurturing and conversion. A technology company that sells complex software solutions used Salesforce Pardot to nurture leads and increase conversions. B2B e-commerce. An e-commerce company specializing in B2B sales adopted Pardot to better understand its customers' needs. Event promotion. An event management company utilized Pardot for event promotion. Alternatives to Salesforce Pardot. There are several alternatives to Salesforce Pardot, each offering its own set of features and capabilities for marketing automation and lead management. Here are some popular alternatives to Salesforce Pardot. HubSpot Marketing Hub. HubSpot offers a comprehensive suite of marketing tools, including automation, email marketing, lead nurturing, and analytics. Marketo. Marketo, now part of Adobe Experience Cloud, provides a robust marketing automation platform. MailChimp. While traditionally known for email marketing, MailChimp has expanded its offerings to include marketing automation features. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce Pardot presents a compelling solution for businesses seeking to elevate their marketing strategies through efficient automation. Its versatile feature set, encompassing lead generation, nurturing, and seamless CRM integration, offers tangible benefits such as increased lead conversion rates and streamlined processes.